Hello everyone, welcome to FoodyTO channel. In this video, we will be taking you on a journey to the inaugural location of Dickey's barbecue pit in Toronto. Join us today as we embark on an exciting adventure to the very first branch of Dickey's barbecue pit in Toronto. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we explore the flavors, ambiance, and everything else this fantastic establishment has to offer. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this mouth-watering experience. Let's dive in.
A renowned Texas barbecue chain has recently opened its first location in downtown Toronto, bringing its internationally acclaimed flavors to the heart of the city. With a history spanning 82 years and over 700 restaurants worldwide, this Texas barbecue chain has finally arrived in Ontario, making its mark in Toronto's bustling downtown area.
So this is brisket sandwich, sliced brisket sandwich. It's one of our famous.
Now, do you put a sauce on it or anything?
We
like
don't.
The picture? No, I'm just joking.
No, we don't put sauce inside. We try to give people the real taste of the meat, so they can put the sauce as much they want. They can add pickles, onion, cheese, sauce, but because we serve like pure meat, like there is nothing inside. I want them to try their real taste of the meat.
Okay, and ask how this is prepared. Like, is it in a
so it's cooked in 225 degrees in a slow smoke pit. It's cooked for like 8 hours almost.
8 hours, okay.
Yes. So it's cooked like 5-6 hours, and then again it's hold for that heat, moist it for 4 hours, so it's much more juicy and tasty. Baked potato.
Okay.
It can be our vegetarian dish, or it can be loaded with meat as well.
Dickey's Barbecue Pit offers mouth-watering baked potatoes loaded with a tempting combination of smoked turkey, butter, sour cream, cheese, and BBK sauce. For vegetarian options, they also have delicious baked potatoes filled with a savory blend of cheese and fresh vegetables.
So we go here.
At Dickey's, all their barbecue is prepared and smoked fresh daily in their 225-degree smoker, ensuring the utmost quality.
So we put some cheese, a stew, a scoop of butter. Cream cheese, get a little bit please. I'm making this one as vegetarian, and we can put meat also. We can do it. Get what we have, please. So this one is a vegetarian one. I can do the non-vegetarian one. Okay.
The ribs are redder.
Among their offerings is a unique slow-roasted pork burger that promises tenderness and juiciness. The addition of their flavorful hot sauce provides an unexpected burst of flavor.
So, you want to take a picture, then I can cut.
Indulge in their slow-smoked ribs, perfectly cooked and accompanied by a smoky sauce that tantalizes the taste buds.
Pour some sweet sauce. You wanted burdens, right? Brisket burdens. You want ribs as well, right? Okay. Put the tape plates. I can That's this one, I need to give one more. That's for That's it. Please guide this. Which one is the plate?
Yeah. Yeah.
Brisket?
So yes, so you also is getting ready.
Yeah, I've tried the wings light and see how.
It is so light. Yeah.
That's it for cell phones, right? So it's sort of. Sometimes I'm on the wrong mode.
Yeah, they're from family business started in 1941. Texas truth through Texas barbecue.
So it's a bit dip sandwich. It's one of our like famous, you can say. It's come with the oju juice. 4 ounces of meat. Oju juice, please.
Does it go into the oven?
No, it's the bread we toast and then we cut and then we put it.
Complete your meal with comforting sides such as creamy mashed potatoes, tangy coleslaw, and a classic pickle. For a delightful combination, savor their brisket alongside the rich and cheesy mac.
That's frozen. We put fufu powder in it. Toast it. And it's tomato dry.